You nearly got rear-ended by me, mate. Don't honk back. No, mate, you nearly got rear... Do you have a fucking mirror? What's my problem? You can... Hey! You can watch the video later tonight. Oh, you blinked, you fucking idiot. You have to give way to me. Am I blind? Watch the video. Facebook, Tasmania Dashcams. Go fuck yourself.